There are only 2 weeks left until the Blast airdrop on June 26th, and we just got a brand new Blast points multiplier that we can use to 2x all the points we have so far. Let's hop in. By now, you should have about a 16x multiplier on your Blast dashboard. If you don't, definitely go and check out this video. It's going to show you how to do all the things you need to do. And if you haven't signed up for Blast yet, make sure you go over to blast.matscrypto.com and then go over to the bridge section here and bridge over some ETH to the dashboard so you can start earning right away and get some airdrop allocation when that happens in 2 weeks. The new multiplier is under the multipliers tab. We can see right here, we have all 8 of these done. And the next one is the launchpad multiplier. You can see right here, when I hover over it, it's going to show you how many more points you're going to get and how many more points per hour you're going to get based on how much you have bridged to Blast so far. We'll click on earn multiplier and we're going to see right here that we need to use a featured launchpad with any amount of capital to gain this 2x multiplier. We can use Blaster, Blaze, or Zap. We're going to use Blaster because it's the most common one that I've seen so far and it's relatively cheap to do. So once we've made it over to blaster.xyz, we need to connect our wallet, and then we have 2 ways to qualify for this multiplier. The first way is to click on any of these collections. We'll click on Gold Melio, for example, and then going over here and clicking Boost. This is going to allow you to boost this collection by staking 0.01 ETH, which is about $35 or so as of making this video. So certainly not nothing, but the good thing here is that after we do this, we can actually go ahead and get it refunded. So we're going to go ahead and boost for 0.01 ETH. We'll sign the transaction on the wallet. Then we can see here, once we've done that, we have 1 boost, and that's going to be enough to qualify us for this multiplier. What we want to do now is we want to go back over to Blast, go back over to the multipliers tab, and then wait for this to qualify and pop up that it's completed. Once your multiplier has locked in, you can come back over here, go to the refund tab and click refund 1 boost, and that will go ahead and give you your 0.01 ETH right back to the wallet you choose. So that is the quick and simple way to do it for basically a few cents, because all you're going to pay is transaction fees, which again is probably about 5 to 10 cents, and you'll get your money back no matter what right away. Now, the other option is to go ahead and participate in the Blast lottery. Now, the way this works is every 5 minutes, there's a random ticket that is drawn to win 7.5 gold. You can see right here, they have 27,000 gold left, and they do draws again every 5 minutes. So what we could do is come over here, pay 0.05 ETH to mint 1 Blaster lottery ticket, and that will give us 1 entry out of the 10,730 tickets that are available to win gold every 5 minutes. Now, the only thing with this one is that you actually have to hold it for 30 days, meaning that you cannot refund this right away like the other one. You will have to lock in 0.05 ETH, which as of making the video is about $160, $170, and you have to wait 30 days to refund it to get your money back. Now, obviously, you are going to participate in this lottery, so there's a chance you could win gold every 5 minutes. It's unlikely. It's about 1 in 10,000, so very unlikely. But there is that chance you could accumulate gold while holding this ticket for those 30 days. However, you will have to spend that $170. So if you don't want to do that, then I would go for the first option because it's immediate and it will get your money back right away if you want to. Either of those 2 options will qualify you for the Launchpad 2x multiplier. You can see right here, it just went gold. If we scroll back up, we don't have the 18x multiplier yet, but if you give it a few minutes, this should update to 18x as well. And then you're done. You've done all 9 multipliers so far, hopefully. And if you haven't yet, again, go watch this video. It will explain how to do all the other ones in detail. One more thing before I go, you can see right here, I have 5 linked wallets. If you want to do these multipliers on a wallet that's not your main wallet, just to be safe, if you haven't interacted with one of these dApps before that you're not sure about or you're a little bit suspect of, you can go ahead and link other wallets and use those other wallets to complete these multipliers. All the wallets linked to your main wallet on your Blast account will get that multiplier. You don't have to do this thing 5 times. You do it 1 time, you link all your wallets, and then all of your wallets that you have linked will get that 18x multiplier or whatever multiplier number that you have so far. So as a reminder, there are only 2 weeks left until this airdrop, and if you haven't participated yet, you are not too late. You have 2 full weeks. All you gotta do is go to blast.matscrypto.com, bridge over some ETH or USDC. If you go and watch this video, within 30 minutes, you'll be able to get all of the multipliers, have your account set up, and maximize your farming for the next 2 weeks. It will be worth it. I am confident in that. So check it out, and we'll see you guys next time.